This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress. And in this series of video, we're going to see how we can add custom post types, add advanced custom fields, and make them work with Elementor Pro. So what do I mean by all this? And why do I want it? Let me explain you. Even though when you're working with Elementor, WordPress, you can add a lot of features, flexibility to your website. We have scoured through so many functionalities of Elementor, its Pro version, and WordPress itself on our channel. But sometimes, even those fall short of what we want to accomplish. A really good and recent example would be that this blog website that we've created, we were only focused on the design aspect and content. We didn't really focus on functionality. Let's go to backend or dashboard to look for what's missing. As you can see, we have a post tab in which we barely have like 10 posts in here. Let's take a look at reality. There will be a lot of people working on a blog website. Some would be handling front end, some at the back end maintaining and updating the plugins, some handling the posts, some handling the content, and etc. And there isn't just one type of posts. There are news, reviews, overview of events, so it becomes hard for the people at backend to handle these post types when there are hundreds or thousands of them. So a solution for this would be a custom field type so that people on the backend can separate one type of content from another, making management much easier for them. And this is the most ideal thing to do. Just imagine people at the backend don't have to smash everything together, every type of post in one single tab. Instead, they can add each post type in their different categories. So, this method has its own advantages. First, we can display new post types. Then, we can create custom fields so we can fill a lot of information about them. And then, we can use dynamic content feature of Elementor Pro to display this information on our website. So, it makes things more meticulous at the backend. So it's less confusing for you when you're working on a website, or maybe you're hiring people into making your website for you. So that makes it less confusing for them. So the end result is a beautiful website with well organized content. By the way, if you enjoy this video and see more type of content like this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. So finally, I'd like to say let's get started. So we are here on our website and let's go to our dashboard or backend if you prefer. So we have originally posts and pages as our post type. Not much going on around here. You go to post, you add new, blah blah blah. But let's start adding a custom field type. Go to plugins, add new, search for UI, and this plugin should appear at the top, which is called Custom Post Type UI. It is by WebDev Studios and has 1 million plus active installations. Make sure you install this one, but just in case, I will link a website for this plugin in the description. You can check it out from there. Click on install now. And let's activate this. So as you can see, a custom post type UI tab has been added. Let's click on add or edit post types. And let's say I want to add a separate section for reviews. Singular will be review. And let's click on add post type. So as you can see, the news was previously created by me and now review has been added. So let's click here. So like any page or post type, we can see, we can add content to it. We can add status, visibility, publish, and also a featured image. Let's head back to custom post types and click on add or edit taxonomy. Taxonomy is basically, as you can see, when we hover over posts, we have all posts, add new, categories and tags. These are all taxonomies. So let's add our custom taxonomy to this review. The slug will be, let's say I want to add categories here. And the singular will be category. I want to add it to the post type, which is reviews. Let's click on add taxonomy. You can edit or view taxonomy from this tab. Let's go back, and as you can see, in reviews we have a new taxonomy called categories. Let's click on reviews, go to add new, and as you can see, we have a new section called categories in which we can add a category. So one more thing you should keep in mind, right now we aren't able to edit this with Elementor. To enable editing with Elementor, go to Elementor. In the general settings, you should check mark reviews and click on save changes. Now we head back to reviews, and when we add new, we are now able to edit with Elementor, which is super amazing. One more thing that I'd like to change is that I want to change icons so that I can differentiate. Let's go to plugins, add new. We're going to search dash icon. This is the plugin. Again, I will link the plugin in the description. Let's click on install now. And let's activate this. Now let's go to, I believe that was settings, and here you can find dash icons. And as you can see, I can set a icon for news, and my icon for reviews would be anything that you want. Let's say this one. So our new icon for news and reviews has been added, and it looks much better to work this way. So in this way you can create really well planned websites for your content using custom post types. In the next video, we will discuss about advanced custom fields. So stay tuned for that, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.